I mean, I can remember my first jump back in 1979 like it was yesterday. If anybody that's ever done it, you realize it's one of the greatest thrills of anything you'll ever do in your life. It's the closest thing you're ever going to get to flying. About 10 years ago, my knees started bothering me, and it got to the point where when I'd go to do my favorite sport here, skydiving, the minute my feet would touch down on landing, I'd have to fall over. People would walk up to me and say, "Buddy, are you hurt?" And I'd say, "Nope, just my pride." Basically, it was starting to ruin my life. But then I met a skydiver last fall, and I asked him how could he still skydive with his knees done. And he had recommended to me Dr. Meade. When I saw Dr. Meade, he was entirely different from most doctors and surgeons you meet. Basically, when I left the recovery room, within 10 minutes I was walking the halls. Within 5.5 months I was back jumping out of planes here. And even though I'm 70, I'm still active. I want to be able to keep skydiving until at least I'm 80. To me, he was a lifesaver. As far as I'm concerned, I don't think there's another surgeon that could do what Dr. Meade does as far as knees.